solve the square root of 30 minus a equals a. And so to solve this, we already have the radical, or the square root, isolated, so we can easily square both sides of this equation, and then this square and the square root will cancel it out, will cancel each other out, and will make it a lot simpler. So we'll just have 30 minus a equals a squared, because we squared both sides of the equation. And now we have a quadratic equation, so let's move all the terms to one side. I'm going to add a to both sides and subtract 30 from both sides, so I get a squared plus a minus 30 is equal to 0. And now I can factor this quadratic into a plus 6 times a minus 5. And if you have two factors equal to 0, either one has to be equal to 0. So you set those equal to 0, solve for a. We get a equals negative 6 and a equals 5. But because we squared both sides when solving this, we have to plug in both of these solutions back into the original equation to see if they're actually roots, because one or both or none of these could be extraneous roots, not actual solutions. So first let's do negative 6. So we have 30 minus negative 6, that's 30 plus 6. So we have the square root of 36 on the left side, which is 6. And we have a, which is negative 6 on the right side. So we have 6 equals negative 6. So negative 6 is not an actual solution. Let's try 5. We have 30 minus 5, that's 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So we have 5 on the left, and a is equal to 5, so we have 5 on the right, and so 5 equals 5. And so a equals 5 is our only actual solution to this equation.